Here's another form of evaluating algebraic expressions. Now, here we're not given when x equals something or when a variable equals something, but we have two expressions that look the same but that are completely different. Let's look at this one. We have a parentheses around the -3, and we have that squared. And here we have -3, but it's not in parentheses, and that's also squared. So what's the difference here? Well, here, this is the same thing as saying -3 times -3. So we know that -3 times -3 gives us a +9. And that's correct. That gives us our answer. Great. What happens here? Well, a lot of my students say that that's also a +9, and that's where they're wrong. And this is what we have to pay attention to. When it's not in parentheses, when the negative is not in the parentheses, and it's to an even exponent, an even power like it is here, you want to make sure we do it like this. It's really represented as 3 times 3, which equals 9. But then we have that negative that we have to bring down, so it will be represented as -9. So whenever you see that, you want to know that that will be represented as -9. Let me give you another example here. What if we did -4 squared? Well, we know that 4 times 4 is 16, and we always bring that negative around, so that would equal -16. And that's the difference, because it's not in the parentheses, so you don't worry about that negative until the end when you bring it around, and that only works when it's to an even exponent.